Hello, friends. Before we dive into the depths of Marcus Aurelius' philosophy, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your likes, comments, and for subscribing to and supporting my channel. Your activity is the fuel that keeps us going. This is not just a video. It's our conversation, our journey towards wisdom together. Today, you will learn how one of the greatest emperors of the Roman Empire stayed true to himself in a world filled with temptation, pain, and pressure. His philosophy isn't just words in an old book. It's a powerful compass that can change your life. If you want to learn how to be resilient, calm, and confident in any situation, then watch until the end. Now, find a comfortable place. Let this video inspire you. Be your quiet whisper of strength amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Have a great day, and let this video fill you with confidence, peace, and clarity. Let's go. Imagine a man who wakes up every morning, not for pleasure, but to serve. He is a ruler, and nations bow before him. But his first thought is always the same. How can I be a good person today? This is Marcus Aurelius, a leader, philosopher, and stoic. His life was filled with challenges, constant wars, betrayals, illness, and the death of loved ones. But despite all this, he remained calm, kind, and level-headed. Marcus Aurelius kept a diary known as "To Myself Alone," which were not intended for public consumption. They were personal reflections, honest and raw, and they had all the power. Marcus Aurelius did not write to appear wise. He wrote to survive, to keep himself sane under the weight of imperial responsibilities. One of the most important lessons Marcus Aurelius taught us is that nothing that happens depends on us, but how we react does. We cannot change the weather, the opinions of others, or the past, but we can change how we respond to them. In one of the passages, he writes, "You have control over your mind, but not over external events. Understand this, and you will find strength." This is a simple idea, but if you truly understand it, the world will begin to change. For example, let's say you are late for an important meeting. You could react in different ways, with panic, anger, or self-blame. Or you could calmly accept the situation and think about how to move forward. Self-control is the key to inner freedom. Another important idea is that everything in life is temporary, both joy and sadness, success and failure. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself that it will pass. This is like breathing. Inhale and exhale. Do not cling to good or bad experiences. Everything is just a part of life's flow. When we go through difficult times, we often feel like nothing will ever get better. But if we can look at life from the perspective of Stoic wisdom, we can understand that nothing stays the same forever. Even our strongest emotions fade, and even the deepest wounds heal over time. Mark wrote, "Life is a moment. Live as if you are already forgiven, as if you are already free." This doesn't mean being indifferent. It means being aware and present in the moment. He also taught us not to complain. Not about the weather, people, or fate. Complaining is a sign of weakness. It doesn't give strength, it takes it away. Instead, he suggested asking yourself, what can I do right now? Marcus Aurelius faced many challenges in his life, including betrayal, the loss of children, and physical pain, but he had a different perspective. He saw obstacles as opportunities for growth. He didn't avoid difficult situations. He used them as fuel for his resilience. Imagine losing your job. It's a difficult situation, but as Marcus would say, it's an opportunity to start over and find a new path in life. That's what strong people do. They don't let setbacks define them. They use them to grow and become stronger. The third important reminder is not to compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own journey, their own pace, and their own unique journey. Comparison can be harmful. Mark said, "Be content if you are doing your best with what you have." Comparing ourselves to others can lead to unhappiness and rob us of our own joy. We might feel like we're falling behind or that someone else is more successful, but maybe we're just at a different stage in our journey. Instead of comparing ourselves, let's look inward and focus on our own goals and progress. The fourth piece of wisdom is to focus on being useful. Marcus Aurelius believed that we were born to serve others, not just to seek pleasure. He said, "What makes a good horse? Quickness. What makes a good person? Service to others." This perspective can help us find meaning and purpose in life. When we feel lost or unfulfilled, let's ask ourselves, who can I be of service today? This simple question can help us regain our focus and find joy in helping others. The fifth truth is to live each day as if it were your last, not out of fear, but out of gratitude for life. As Marcus Aurelius said, "You live as if you have an infinite future ahead of you, but death is at your door. So live while you are alive." How often do we waste our time on resentments, fears, and empty conversations? Marcus's philosophy teaches us that each moment is a precious gift. Smile, say thank you, give a hug, and act with kindness. Don't wait until tomorrow to live your life. And sixth, accept others for who they are. As he wrote, people are not perfect. They make mistakes, get angry, and cheat. But you cannot change them. What you can change is your attitude. This doesn't mean allowing yourself to be taken advantage of. It means not spending energy fighting what you can't control. Forgiveness is not weakness. It is the highest form of strength. Seventh, nature doesn't make mistakes. Everything that happens is part of a greater plan. You are part of the universe. You're not a coincidence. There's a purpose to everything. This gives you strength in difficult times. He said, if it weren't meant to be, it wouldn't happen. This calmness isn't fatalism, it's inner confidence. Trust in life. When we accept this, fear disappears. One of his most inspiring examples was how he led the empire during a terrible plague. He stayed with the people, not fleeing. He helped, wrote, thought. This was a true leader, a servant, not a dominator. His philosophy isn't about words, it's about actions. Be persistent in hard times. Be kind when others are cruel. Be calm when others panic. This is strength. Even centuries later, his words sound like a voice within us, like a wise mentor saying, you can do more than you think. You're stronger. Don't be afraid. Move forward. And finally, Marcus Aurelius teaches us one important thing. To live is to train our soul. We should not just go with the flow, but instead choose every day, every thought, and every action. Mark's philosophy is not just for books, it's for our hearts. It's for those who want to be authentic, not perfect. This is the power of Stoicism. If you found this video inspiring, please share your thoughts in the comments. What ideas from Marcus Aurelius resonate with you the most? If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. And if we reach 10 likes by the end of this video, I will create a video about the Stoic art of acceptance of death. How Marcus Aurelius and other Stoics teach us not to fear death, but to find wisdom in it. This will be a powerful and profound discussion. Thank you for watching. The channel's success is thanks to your support, and it motivates me to continue sharing the knowledge that I have. I promise to keep sharing with you. See you soon.